Hey guys, it's Vickie Kinner, independent Scentsy consultant, Scentsy director with Teams, Scented Style. And today I'm so excited because I just got my Scentsy Club in. Well, I got it last night, but I didn't get a chance to open it up. And so we're going to be going through my quarterly Scentsy Club. So if you like this video, please give it a like. And if you enjoy my content, please consider subscribing. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you know when I have posted something new. Comment below. Let me know what you think. All right, you guys, let's get into it. So today we're going to be going over my Scentsy Club. I just got in my quarterly club yesterday, and I'm excited to show you what bars are in there. For those of you who do not know what Scentsy Club is, it's a subscription that you literally create yourself. It's anything that's consumable product, and not the warmers, not the diffusers, but oil, wax, room sprays, laundry, clean, bulbs, cotton cleanups, all that kind of stuff that you need to replenish. So the cool thing about Scentsy Club is once your order goes over $30, you get 10% off. Once it goes over $60, you get the 10% off plus a half-priced item. Now, here's my favorite part of Scentsy Club. We have something called Always Get My Bar. And what that is like if we have a collection or something in the catalog that you're like, I cannot live without that bar. I have got to have that bar. You can put it in your Scentsy Club and they will make it just for you. Even if you're the only one that wants it, you can schedule your club to come every month, every other month, or every 3 months. And so this is fantastic. I love it. Most of the bars in my club, actually, I think all of them are things that you can't get anymore. But I get them in my club because these are some of my favorite bars that I want to make sure that I get every single quarter, okay? So let's go through them. The first one is Toasted Marshmallow. You guys, it's absolutely phenomenal. I love any marshmallow scent, and this one's fantastic. I always use this in my living room, and it's just, it's to die for. So Toasted Marshmallow. The next one, actually, these are available now, and you guys can, this is my favorite scent. If you want a sample of it, fill out my sample form, which is in my, over there, and I will get you, and that's for TikTok, you guys. For you YouTube people, you can go down there. Anyway. It's Vanilla Barnwood. I am so obsessed with this scent. It's like a woody vanilla scent, and it's fantastic. I use this in my bedroom, and it's so good. So I put 2 bars in there. Now, you could put as many bars as you want. Like, literally, you control your club. The only thing is once it's no longer available, you can reduce the amount, but you can't increase. So if it's something you really love, add more than you think you need, and then you can always lower it. You know what I mean? But Vanilla Barnwood is the bee's knees, and it's actually available. The next one I use in my living room, and it's so good. It's the Disney Haunted Mansion scent, 3 thumbs up. And to me, it's more of a fall scent. It's definitely bakery. It's so good, but I like to save this for the fall. This is one of my favorite fall scents. So I just put 1 bar in there and I store it for fall. The next one is Cutie Pie Cupcake, and it literally smells like vanilla, like a yellow cake. It's so good. Oh my gosh, I love bakery scents. This one's fantastic. Okay, the next one is Shut Eye. It was part of our Catching Z's collection. And like most of these were all from either collections or when we do Bring Back My Bar, which is coming up in January. I did scent reviews. If you scroll down, you'll see the scent reviews or what's coming in January. But Shut Eye was part of the Catching Z's collection. And it is so good. It's like a bedroom scent. It's so cozy. It's just, I absolutely love it. The next one was part of our Harvest collection. It's the Disney Frightfully Delightful Scentsy bar, and it's a pumpkin, but it's so good. It also has peach in there. So this was new this year, and so I put this in my Scentsy Club because I need that for the fall next year. Okay, coconut cotton. Soon as I stop warming the fall winter scents, this is what goes in my bathroom, and this is the only thing that goes in my bathroom. Coconut cotton is so good. Oh my gosh, I absolutely love this scent. So I always make sure I have a bar coming to me so that I can always have it for my bathroom for spring, summer, because that's all I use in there. The next one is lemon coconut chiffon, which is probably one of my top 5 scents. And it literally is like a lemon. To me, it's like, it smells like lemon, what is that? Meringue. Lemon meringue. It is so good. All right. Next one, hazelnut latte. It smells straight up like a hazelnut latte. And this goes in my kitchen. And I love it. I actually warm this every now and then all year round. It's so good. The next one is cherry almond pie. I usually warm this late in the winter season. And it just literally, you get the cherry, you get the pie scent, which is more of like a bakery, but you also get heavy almond in there. And it's so good. I usually warm this in my living room because it's a really strong scent. So it's a little too strong for my bedroom, but it's perfect for the living room. And it's so good. The next one is pear blossom and cucumber. You guys, it just reminds me of the 80s. Like, makes me want to put on some like baby blue eyeshadow. It smells like, remember that, well, it says pear and cucumber, okay? But it reminds me of, remember, what was it? The melon, cucumber melon from the 80s? Like, it makes me want to wear my jellies and wear powder blue eyeshadow. I love this scent. It just brings back like nostalgic memories. The next one is green tea smoothie, and it just smells amazing. It is such a pretty scent. It's like a sweet, I don't even know, like, I mean, does it smell like tea? I don't know, but it's amazing. So that's in my club. Then we recently had, it's no longer available, but we recently had the Open Plains collection, and everything is like a leathery scent. And so I got 2 of each. There's a 4 in that collection. I loved all 4. So we have Wide Open Spaces, and there we go. Look at the cowboy. How cute, right? Oh, it's so good. It's like a sweet leather. Oh, it's beautiful. The next one is Hometown Cowboy. I love the art on these. Isn't that cute? And this one's like a cologne leather scent. It just smells so good. Oh, you guys, I love these. And these are what I've been warming in my living room. And then every now and then I'll mix in some Christmas scents, but I just love these so much. The next one is Counting the Stars. I just love that artwork. Isn't it pretty? My nails are a mess, you guys. I had to take my nails off. And I couldn't get these off. So they're still there. This is another one that is just like a sweet, I think it's like strawberry, I think they have in there. But with leather. It's crazy. It's so, and I don't like leather scents. That's what's so insane. I couldn't believe how much I love this collection. And the last one is Under the Oak Tree. And this one's very woody. It's just like a woody leather scent. I couldn't believe I love this, like this collection, because you guys, leather's not my jam, but this collection was great. So that is my Scentsy Club that I set up to come every quarter, and I can change it anytime I want. But once you remove a scent that is no longer available, it's gone like the wind. So if you're interested in doing that, if you're like a Scentsy lover and you know that there's some scents that you love in this current collection or current catalog season, let me know and we can get you a Scentsy Club started. Oh, I forgot to show you guys. My half price item I got was my cotton cleanups. So I got these for half price. And I got 10% off the whole order. So that's great because it's stuff that I love. I don't just buy Scentsy bars just to buy bars that I'm like, oh, I guess I'll give it a try. Like, no, they got to be my jam. Like, if I try it once and it's not my bag, I usually gift it to someone because I want the scents in my house to be like my most favorite. And these are some of my most favorites. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video and I hope you're having a great Sunday. Bye.